What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review another road movie, Karwan, and starring Dalkeer Suleiman, Irfan Khan. And the movie is very good to watch. It has a total different concept and content, and you will really like it. Even though it has a slow pace, but you will really enjoy how the life is. So the story revolves around Avinash, Dalkeer playing an IT professional who is working in Silicon Valley of India, and he is being forced by his father to pursue it as a career because his father knows sometimes, like, he has a passion for photography, but he said that these kind of things are just like your parallel support system. They will not even give you a permanent solution to your expenditures and anything. Right now, sometimes it is being good, it can work, but what if it fails? So his way of even though he is angry at him, but he just wanted him to do something good so that he will not uh, starve, because his father deep down know what his passion was for and how he gave up. So sometimes the miscommunication gives a different perspective on both ends. So they had not good relationship. So what happens is he started traveling to different places, his father. So one day, what he got a call from travel agency that on the journey there are some people who died, and your father is among that, and we are sending his corpse, and you better go and collect it. And since he has no good relationship, he said, okay, that's all fine. So now there comes Shaukat Irfan Khan. He is already preoccupied with loan sharks, and he has to give them so much money. But now he got this job and he is supporting Avinash, and he said we have to take this corpse, because what happens when they are going to cremate it, they found out that this is not his father, it is a woman's. So he goes to the office and asks them that what is this, how they dispatch something like this, and they say that it's misunderstanding. What happened is that they got a call from another office, from another lady, and they said that somehow there is a misunderstanding. Your father corpse has come to me, whereas my mother, and since Tyra she's a widower, and there is a teenager girl also. So she said that this is my mother and she is there, so better please bring it to here. I am living at OT. I'm living at OT, so better come here. So on the way, what happens is that now Shaukat Irfan Khan and Avinash Dalkeer, they travel with this cop to OT. On the way, Tyra called them that, oh, unfortunately what happened is that I gave this information to our teenager daughter. She's not communicating with me. I don't know what happened. If you are on the way, can you go to that place to no, that girl is in Koti, and I think this lady, she's in Puchi. They're misunderstanding something. So now they go to that girl and found out that she's there. She's just not in a, like, she has no guidance from parents or something. So that's why she's a carefree person. So now they try to develop that she also has a interest about photography, something. So now what happens is, on the way they found out that with this box there is something, another box, and that belongs to someone in the town. So they have to go to that wedding now. So they found that there is one a musician, and he has a good art. Somehow what is that, Irfan Khan falls in love with one girl whom he see in the hospital, because he was beaten by the loan shark. They are always chasing him. So somehow all this error of stories, comedy of errors starts. So they are going to wedding, going to different places, now taking a girl who is totally not in control. Finally, they reach at Kochi, where they meet Kyra, and then all the story starts. So you will really enjoy it. What happens? It's a very slow-paced movie, but overall, all the people, those who are fond of these types of road movies, they will really love it. So kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much, and have a great week. Bye bye.